Hi, my name is Alicia. I am 11 weeks and 4 days pregnant. I just recently received my Sonoline fetal doppler that I ordered off of fetaldoppler.net. It's going to show you my baby's heartbeat and that it really does work, and it's definitely worth the money. Okay, so first you turn it on, the middle button, and it's on. Then I take the ultrasound transmission gel that I received with it, and it's a little bottle, so I don't want to use a whole lot at once, and it doesn't really take that much. So I just put a little bit on the Doppler. And now it's on. And sometimes it takes me a couple minutes to find the baby's heartbeat, and sometimes it doesn't. Just bear with me while I do this. And I found it already. Now I'm still early in my pregnancy, so the baby's still down really low. Let's see, I just lost it. Let's try to find it again. That's my heartbeat. There we go. Just try to sit still and let it do its thing and calculate. Right now it's up to 153. $155. I just try to hold it up closer to the phone so that you can hear it. And that's really all there is to it. It has a built-in speaker so that you can hear it just through the Doppler itself. It has a earphone jack, so you can put earphones in and listen that way. And I also have a recording cable where I can plug it into the computer and record it and save it and put it on a disc, whatever I want. But doing it on the phone works just as well. So that is all, and it works, and I love it. And if you're thinking about getting one of these, you should. You can use it as early as 8 weeks pregnant, and you can use it throughout your whole pregnancy. And it's really reassuring when you're waiting in between your doctor's appointments. Thanks for watching.